Baby wants to teach lots of his animal friends to sing his favorite song. You can sing along too and practice different letter sounds. Now sing it with the B's with a Z sound.
Za 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 za
Oh, it's a cow. Let's sing with the sound. Along with the snake making the sound.
Sa 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 sa.
A donkey. Can you sing the song like a donkey with the sound? Baby wants you to keep practicing his song, but singing it each time with a different sound on the beginning of the words. Have fun!
Hey there, friends. What time is it?
It's time for the alphabet.
A is for Akili, Akili. B is for baby, bush baby. C is for cat, cat. D is for dance, dance like a dog. A, B, C, D. The next one is E. E is for elephant, look at all the elephants. F is for family, family. G is for goat, goat. H is for house, happy hippo's house. E, F, G, H, the alphabet is really great. I is for insect, icky insect. J is for jump, jump. K is for kite, kite. L is for lion, little lion. I, J, K, L, we use letters to spell. M is for mountain, march up the mountain. N is for night, nighty night. O is for ocean, swim in the ocean. P is for please, always say please. Q is for quiet, shh, be very quiet.
M, N, O, P, Q will sing the alphabet for you.
R is for rainbow, run to the rainbow. S is for sun, sun. T is for tiger, tiger. U is for up, away. V is for village, village.
R, S, T, U, V, sing the alphabet with me.
W is for wind, wind. X is for box at the end of box. Y is for yes. Z is for zebra, zebra.
W, X, Y, Z, that's all the letters A to Z.
I saw the letter A, he gave me quite a fright. He had a little tail that he swung left and right. Look up at the sky, what do we see there? Things with letter A are floating in the air.
Akili. Apple.
get back. Friends, we need your help to get all of the letters back home to the alphabet land. Today, we're helping letter A, which makes the ah sound. Let's go find her. Let's go help, let's go help, let's go help to bring them home. There you are. Aw, don't cry, letter A. We can help you get back home. Just get down. Yay! Now let's find our way back to alphabet land. Uh-oh! Which way is the right way back to alphabet land? We must choose the path that has the word with the ah sound. Should we go down the tree path or the cat path? Let's choose the path with the ah sound in the name. So is it tree path or cat path?
Cat.
Yes! Cat! Cat has the ah sound. But let's think. Where is the ah sound in the word cat? At the beginning, middle, or end?
In the middle.
Yes, it's in the middle. So let's take the path with the sign that says cat. Let's go help, let's go help, let's go help to bring them home. We must cross the river to get letter A home. But which island is the way home? I see Dog Island and Zebra Island. We must go to the island with the ah sound in the name. So, is it Dog Island or Zebra Island?
Zebra.
Yes! Friends, where do we hear the ah sound in the word zebra? In the beginning, middle, or at the end of the word? Zebra!
At the end.
Yes! Let's go! But look! There's a doorway to get to the other side. There are 2 balloons. They could lift us into the air to carry us up to the other side. Which one should we choose? One says art and one says egg. The one with the ah sound will take us across the river to alphabet land. So which balloon has the ah sound? Art or egg?
Art.
Yes! Now where is the ah sound in art? At the beginning, middle, or end?
At the beginning.
Yes, it is at the beginning. Come on, letter A, let's go! Let's go help, let's go help, let's go help to bring them home. Yay! It's alphabet land. Oh, we have to trace letter A to get in. Let's do it together, friends. We did it! We got letter A home by listening and learning what sounds letter A made. Letter A makes an ah sound. Hooray! Bye, letter A.
Howdy, hey! It's time for our fun rhymes. Hooray!
My favorite bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. My favorite bridge is falling down. What should we do? My favorite bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. My favorite bridge is falling down. What should we do? Build it up with wood and clay, wood and clay, wood and clay. Build it up with wood and clay. I think that should do. Wood and clay will wash away, wash away.
kids! Today I'm going to read you a great story. Happy Hippo loves to read stories too. Today's story is... It's my mother's birthday. One day, Akili woke up so excited. Hooray! Today is Mama's birthday! I will find a present that is as special as Mama's love, Akili said. Let me go and ask my friend the dove, Akili said. Oh, the present must be as big as the ocean, said the dove. Akili and the dove went to look for a present that was as big as the ocean. While they were looking, they met a butterfly and asked her, what present is as special as Mama's love? The butterfly said, oh, the present must be as beautiful as a flower. So Akili, the dove, and the butterfly went to look for a present that is as big as the ocean and as beautiful as a flower. While they were looking, they met a bee and asked the bee, what present is as special as Mama's love? And the bee said, well, the present must be as sweet as honey. So Akili, the dove, the butterfly, and the bee went to find a present that is as big as the ocean, as beautiful as a flower, and as sweet as honey. While they were looking for the present, they met Akili's mother. Akili's mother said, where were you, Akili? I was looking for you all over. Akili said, I was looking for a present for your birthday, Mama. But I couldn't find a present as big, as beautiful, and as sweet as your love. Your love is bigger than the ocean, more beautiful than a flower, and sweeter than honey. Akili hugged her mother and said, I love you, Mama. The end. Did you enjoy that? Until next time, bye!
Looking for an easier and faster way to access free quality learning resources, which are designed and adapted to resonate with kids and families across Africa? Look no further. Ubongo Toolkits is a new interactive digital library of Ubongo's educational resources now available for free download and use under the Creative Commons license. It's never been this easy and fun to discover shareable and localized learning tools from Ubongo and curated content from partners like Curious Learning and Kukua that can be widely distributed by broadcasters and partners. Download more than 800 audiovisual files, apps, and printable content to share the joy of learning with kids, families, and communities across Africa, and stay on the lookout for frequent new content releases. Search your desired content type, choose a subject or topic, select an age range, and get access to multi-language learning tools all in one place. Together, we can deliver fun, localized learning resources to millions of kids across Africa right now. To get started, sign up and download learning resources for free by visiting toolkits.ubongo.org.
Akili!
Akili